everybody, Sweetie Pie there. So, first, I would like to thank all the people who have liked, shared and subscribed and watched my videos. It really means a lot to us. Thank you. First, I'm going to tell you our special destination. If you have watched YouTube shorts, I put multiple shots so that I can give you a clue where I'm going. So, stop your feet and go. This is Manali. The special destination is Manali. And this car, my dear car, has taken me to Manali. Thank. And this place is so green. Look, you have pine trees here. You have pine trees there. Your pine trees there. And I even saw pine cones. Like, it was so pretty. I only read in books, but now I'm seeing it practically. And it's not even so cold. Look. Oh, here is another pine. Here is a pine cone again. It's a beautiful place. It's very clean. And see, the cottages feel so nice. This is one cottage. And this cottage I'm staying in. Very neat and clean. And you can roam around, it's very big. So, I'm doing tata for now, but I will be bringing many more videos in Manali like Mall Road, Drones and Rotan Pass. So please stay tuned to watch it. Thank you.